Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to go to take our new car. So come on with me. Few minutes and then we'll have a new car. Bye. So friends, he is Prasad uncle and he is explaining about all the papers, FASTag and etc. to my mother. He is explaining so that there would not be any more issues for the future. Bye. I was tired here because it was a bit late and I was waiting for my car to come and I was a bit sleepy also. Now my mother is very excited for the car and I am also very excited. Now we are taking pictures. Now we are doing puja to the car's engine. So this is Rani. We met her. She is a cute dog. Now we are going to do a ceremony and keep watching.
चला गणपती बाप्पा
मोरया,
मंगल मूर्ती
मोरया.
उंदीर मामा की
And here we reach home with a brand new car.